Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Learning Station and this is me Ali. In today's video, we will be seeing how to create a Gmail account. So let's get started. Here I have opened Google Chrome and I opened the Google web page. So we'll click sign in, creating a Gmail account here. And here we can click create account. So here we can choose for my personal use, for my child, for my work or business. So here we are creating a personal account. So we'll put that. So we'll put our first name. I'll just put AM Learning Station and last name also. So after that we will click next and now we wait. And we also put they ask for our birthday and gender. So we'll just put something. It's my bad. Let's put this. Yeah. So let's put name. So now we wait. And we can also choose which email address we want, or we can create our own. So I'll just be going with Learning Station AM. So we will be making a password. Make sure it has a mix of letters, symbols, and numbers, and it should be more than 8 characters. So we'll have to repeat the password. So now we'll click next. Okay, so there is a verification number for this. We'll have to put in our mobile number. So we'll have to put in. So we'll be next. Then an email verification will. So now we wait until we got the message. Okay, we have received it. Seven, three, okay. So here we can put a recovery email. We don't have to, but it is usually better to put a recovery email. I will be going skip over here. So this is our information. Let's review all of that. And this is the privacy and terms of service, privacy policy and terms of service. And here it is. And we'll have to click I agree. There are more these. So we can just save this occasional reminder about this. I'll just click OK. It's better. So then you click I agree. Okay. So we have successfully created an email account right here. So that's all. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Until next time, it's me, Alvin, signing off.